Hey there and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to talk about how you can use wish coins in Archero. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, here you can see this option here. You just can tap on it simply and go to this interface, and from there you can look up to this site like talent cards. You can see all of this. You can draw with 10,700 coins, and from there you can also go to this option, and after clicking onto you can see all these outfits and skills. You can just simply tap onto them and then you can use them, and scroll down, keep scrolling, and you will find this option for wish coins. You can use them, like here you can see this wish exchange. You can just tap onto them and use them. Also wish exchange 18 by 10, just tap onto them and you can use them. As you can see, there's some wish gifts here, all of this, and this is epic artifact. You can just tap onto them, like you can get them. Okay, so here you can see this artifact rewards and all this, and in order to get all of them you just have to simply complete this task. Like you have to complete these houses like Maple Bridge Valley. You just have to complete them and then you will get them automatically. So that's it, and if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on to another video.